Hi everyone. We are presenting our Project 3 Vacay. We created a pet adoption website for the Rough Life Adoption Center where they are giving love by the pound. Our contributors are Sean Altmark and Sonia McDuffie. The four core principles at the Rough Life Adoption Center are life saving, adoption, wellness, and community. We envision a world where all animals have a home with the love and quality care they deserve and where the human animal bond thrives. We will save thousands of animal lives each year to strive and nurture humane treatment of companion animals across the country. We rescue pets from overcrowded shelters or that have been relinquished by their owners, and we rehabilitate animals who have suffered cruelty and neglect. Rough Life Adoption Center is a nonprofit and charitable organization in Pennsylvania registered in the Department of State. Our work is supported entirely by private donations. The synopsis of our project includes the use of JavaScript, HTML, React, and Bootstrap for the front end. And on the back end, we use GraphQL with Node.js and Express.js server. And our website is deployed using Heroku with data. We also use MongoDB and Mongoose ODM for the database. Our website consists of the following 5 sections, which is home, who we are, adopt, support us, and community. Our processing includes our proposed project, Rough Life Adoption Center, which is a nonprofit community organization to raise money for St. Jude Hospital.
Hi guys, my name is Sean Altmark, and I'm here to talk a little bit about the back back end or server side concept, a combination of MongoDB, Mongoose, and building a front end and back end applications. We learn how to communicate and work effectively with the team. We have challenges and successes. We were able to complete 95% of our project objectives. We encountered issues with the front end. Now, I'd like to talk about a little bit about the challenges that we've had. One thing I've learned is, so let's say you have you're working on a project and there's a starter code. There are things that you have to look into, and for instance, in the server side, you have to look into few pieces such as schema file. You would have to look into that because of the resolvers and the type defs. Over here. And also you would want to look into the utils under index.js, and that's up in here. You want to also look into c.js under seeds because of the models. So like under our models, we have created adoption.js, and we've added landing for sign up. We've added mission.js for the front end side. We've also added the contacts. Now on the React side, you would want to look into utils, the components in the models, which is right now we have adoption.js and the tech.js. I believe it's up here. Under models, I mean, I'm sorry. Adoption and the tech.js. You also want to look into app.js. There you go. Why? Because of the IDs and routes, router, and routes. And as you see, we have the adoption right there. We have the contacts. We have the missions. We have the login, home, sign up. And I want to talk about a little bit more about the Apollo and home.js. You want to look into that too, because this is actually how, like, under here, the return, this is actually where you want to work on your front end side inside of the return. And I learned that the hard way. Also, you want to look into package.json. Package.json, it keeps track of your dependencies and your scripts. Also, I mentioned about the Apollo. If you go under server.js, which I think down here below, line 39, let me see over here. Okay, right here. This middleware right here is actually right up in here. We're in line 8, like over here, Apollo server and a middleware. And for future developments, we would like our web page kind of like have a mapping capabilities, adding veterinarian services such as mobile wellness clinics. I would say that should go under pet services, establishing pet food banks, and develop a domestic abuse project. And the outcomes, we were able to successfully build our back-end server. We were able to deploy to Heroku. So any questions, please let us know. I hope you enjoy our project. Thank you, everyone. Sonia, do you have anything to add?
No, I am just so glad that I got a chance to do this project with you. We definitely were stretched doing it, but we made it. And I'm just thankful.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, everyone.